Hello friends, many people are asking from me that make a video on how to write mathematics in laptop. Especially teachers face the problem when they want to make tests for their student. So after watching this tutorial you will be able to write mathematics in laptop. So watch the full video and don't miss any part of the video. Now let's start the video. First go to Start and search Math Input Panel. Open this application. I want to write math text in MS Word. Open MS Word. Draw the letter you want to add. After writing, click on Insert. Now here are some options you must know about it. This option is for writing text. If you make a mistake and to delete, use this option like I am using. This option is for undo. This option is for redo. This option delete all of your text. If you write something inaccurate, then click on this option. Encircle the text you have written false. In this way you can write and edit mathematics in your laptop very easily. I hope you will like my video. If you still have any issue about this tutorial, then you can ask in comment section. Please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.